So today I'm going to show you how to optimize your YouTube videos for the search engines. If you're looking for more traffic, more views, more subscribers, and better rankings, then you really should know these SEO tips. So if you're interested, stick around for today's episode. What's up, stackers? So today I'm going to share with you some great SEO tips so you can optimize your videos and start getting better rankings in YouTube. Now, I had a subscriber ask actually how to do this, and instead of telling him, I just thought I would make a video showing him how to do this. So if you have any video suggestions, leave a comment down below telling me what they are, and I'll see if I can make a video on it. Also, if you're new to my channel, I'm Paddy, and every single day I come out with multiple different ways for you to start making money online. So go and hit subscribe and hit the little bell icon so you don't miss a thing. So let's jump right into this. So I'm going to show you a few examples of my videos that are ranked, so you do know that I do know what the hell I'm talking about. So this is my channel. I have sorted it by most popular. Now, all my most popular videos are actually ranked in YouTube, and that's what's getting me the views. So I'm going to use ytrank.net for examples. All I've done is taken the URLs of these videos, put them into here, the URL there, the keywords I wanted to rank for, and it's pulled up my positions. So as you can see with dropshipping Amazon on eBay UK, I'm actually ranked number 1 for that. How to optimize your eBay titles, I'm ranked number 2 for that. Crypto Bridge tutorial, I'm ranked number 1 for that. So as you can see, I do know what the hell I'm actually talking about. Now, if you're looking to rank videos, just bookmark this page, this one, ytrank.net, because it's just a great resource that you can use quickly to see where you're ranked. So, how did I actually rank these videos? Well, there's a few different factors that actually come into play when trying to rank a YouTube video. And if you haven't got these couple of main factors, then it doesn't matter about your YouTube SEO, because you just won't be able to rank that video. So I'm going to show you what that is nearer the end of the video, after I show you actually how to SEO properly. So this is the dropshipping Amazon on eBay UK video of mine, which I have actually ranked for multiple keywords. How did I do this? Well, first of all, you want to find search phrases that people are searching for. And how do you use that? You just use the search bar at the top of the page. So for this example, I'll start typing in dropshipping related videos. So dropshipping to eBay. See, as you can see, this has pulled up a lot of different search phrases that people are actually searching for to find videos on that subject. We got dropshipping to eBay, dropshipping eBay to Amazon, dropshipping eBay to Shopify. All these different key phrases you could potentially make a video on. Now, one tool that I do recommend that you do get is Keywords Everywhere. So if you go over to Google and just type in Keywords Everywhere Chrome extension, then it will pop up. Just install the Chrome extension. So you've got it up here. Then every time you search for something, it's going to populate how many people are actually searching that each and every month. So as you can see, for dropshipping to eBay, it has 9,900 monthly searches. Dropshipping AliExpress to eBay has 720 monthly searches. It's just a great tool to have so you can actually see how many people are searching for that key phrase. Now, another tool that you do need to get is this. This is TubeBuddy. You don't need the paid version. All you need is the free version. I only use the free version. But it is essential, because once you have that installed as well, once you've signed up, installed it, you want to use here this Tag Explorer, which I'm going to show you in a minute. So let me just get off that. So to find the videos, search phrases that you are going to make videos on, you search it in the YouTube search bar, so it will populate all these different ideas. So let me just take dropshipping to eBay. Let's do UK. What I'm going to do is just copy this. Actually, let's just take that space out. I'm just going to copy this, and now I'm going to use TubeBuddy, and this is actually going to tell me whether or not I should make a video on this key phrase. How is it going to do that? Well, with this Tag Explorer. So I'm going to type that in here, press Enter, press Explore. Now, just wait for that to populate for a second. Now, as you can see here, the search volume for dropshipping to eBay UK is quite low, and the competition is very low. So it actually says here, this is a good keyword phrase to actually target. This keyword isn't too competitive and has enough search volume to make it worth targeting. So this is vital. This is what I normally do with most of my video ideas. Not all of them, but most of them. So like this video that I'm actually currently recording, I'm probably going to try and target this. This is how to optimize YouTube videos for search. So if I just press enter on that for a minute, just let that populate. As you can see, search volume's average, competition is low. This keyword isn't too competitive and has enough search volume to make it worth targeting. So I'm probably going to try and target this key phrase for this video and try and rank it. So that's two things that I do first. So you want to identify key phrases that people are searching and then make videos on that subject. Then you want to start to actually SEO the video. So once you've found your title, like this one, Dropshipping Amazon on eBay UK, you then obviously want that in the title. As you can see here, I've also added a second keyword, but I've got that in the title. I've got that in the first sentence of the description, and then I've got that as the first tag as well. Now, so that's 3 places: title, description, and tag. Now, with my other tags, they are all related to my title. So as you can see, eBay Dropshipping UK, I actually have those keywords in my title, same with here. Now, as your video starts to rank, you will rank for other key phrases as well, as you can see, like I have done here. I've even ranked this video for eBay UK. Now, that is some simple SEO that you can actually do to start helping your video get searched, get ranked. But there's 2 other main factors that actually come into play. So you can do all of this completely right, like here, but you might not rank at all, or you might not rank for at least 2-3 months. That was the case in this video. It wasn't until about 5 months later that I actually started to rank for this key phrase, because these 2 main factors, which I'm about to show you in a minute, I didn't have them nailed in when I first did the video. So what are those 2 main factors? Well, one's CTR, that's click-through rate, and the next one is audience retention. So let me just go over to my analytics and I'll show you exactly what I mean. So with this video, same video which I just showed you, it has a good audience retention. So an average view duration is 5 minutes, and that's 45.9% of the video is actually getting watched. Now let me just go to reach views for a second. As you can see, my click-through rate is 6.7, so it's fairly high. So it's these 2 combinations, so that's a good click-through rate and a good audience retention, will help you to start get ranked. Now, if you don't know what a click-through rate, a CTR, actually is, it's exactly that. It's a click-through rate. So say 100 people see this video. They don't watch it, they just see the thumbnail. 100 people. So out of that 100 people, 6.7 people actually click the thumbnail. So that's why I've got a 6.7 click-through rate. So if we just scroll down a little bit to here, we can see that 32% from YouTube recommending my content has resulted in a 6.7 click-through rate and a 45.9 average view duration. So these are fairly good, and because of that, and because quite a lot of people watch this video, YouTube actually recommends this video to more people, and because more people see it and watch it and that gets better audience retention, then it starts going up in the search engine, and that's how you start to rank. Now it does also help that you get comments on the video and that you reply to every single comment. See, on my channel I actually reply to every single comment, because then this shows YouTube that this is a real engaging video, and it's just another excuse for YouTube to start showing more people, because they see, oh, people like this video, they're watching a lot of it, they're clicking through, watching a hell of a lot of it, and they're commenting and engaging on the video. Okay, this must be a popular video. Then they start moving you up in the search engines, and that's how you start ranking for everything when you've done your SEO properly. So I hope you understood all of that. Once you learn this, it is actually pretty easy, and once you have actually learnt this and learn how to rank videos in YouTube, you can actually utilize that to your advantage and build a business around that. Build a business by having a link in the description going through to your email list, so you can rank these little videos, get a lot of free traffic, build an email list, and build a business on the back of that. That is exactly what I'm doing. I'm actually bringing out a course within the next few weeks. If you want to check that out, I am going to drop a link in the description below so you can go through and see that. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If it provided some type of value to you, leave a comment down below. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.